Good one. Good job. Say ta-da.
Mommy, get that.
I will. Ta-da. Oh, this ought to be good. Can you get on? Try again. That's a good way. Now what? Are you gonna go sideways? Get your leg over. Can you get your leg over, Gwen?
Look, Mama.
What is it?
Yeah,
Can you get your leg over? Try to get your leg over again. There you go. Oh, here she goes. Bye.